Today we're making Snickerdoodles. Come on in, welcome to my home. I hope you're enjoying the summer because this is a great summer day treat and it's a Snickerdoodle. They're really easy to make. I have my oven preheated at 350 degrees and I'm telling you this now because I'll forget about it later because these actually have to be chilled for a little while. So what we are going to do is we are going to start off with our butter. And this is just 1 cup of purchased butter. Yes, you could make your own butter, but on one of these cases where the butter isn't like front and center, I'm really big on the whole why even bother. Now we're going to mix up our butter and add sugar. Now all the ingredients are flashing up on the screen down here. Since I am using sea salt, I'll use a pinch of sea salt and put it in right now. Now I'm going to throw in my 2 eggs. Now I have our flour. To the flour I'm going to add cream of tartar and baking soda. We'll give that a little whisk and then add this to our mixture. Mix that till it comes together. Then I'm going to scrape it off the beater. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to chill the entire thing for 20 minutes. Pans and the batter, but 20 minutes it needs to be chilled for. You can put it in your freezer, you can put it in your refrigerator. It's really hot outside anyway. So yeah, let's get this chilling. As you can see, my dough is out of the freezer. I have sugar, and that's white sugar. Raw sugar will not dissolve as well, and cinnamon. I'm going to mix these two together. Now what I'm going to do is take a scoop of my dough, roll it into a ball, and then roll it in my cinnamon sugar. Then place it on my chilled pan. Once you have all of your cookies, all balled and then cinnamon sugared, we're going to bake them for about 10 minutes. Once they're done, take them off the pan immediately onto a cooling rack. Now while these are still hot, I'm going to remove them from the pan and put them on a cooling rack right away. Don't you hate it when a cookie breaks and you have to taste it right away? Those are soft and sweet and cinnamon. These are really, really good. I would recommend these to everybody. So simple to make, they don't take much time, and you don't really, I mean, sure your oven's at 350 for a few minutes, but it doesn't really heat up your kitchen. If you make these, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. Don't forget to check out my Patreon, which helps this channel, and I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.